Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian. So in this video, I'm going to talk about WP query. Query is mainly used when you want to pull out something custom, like you have 10 posts in your WordPress theme, and you just want to show some specific post in a page. So what can you do? So you have seen me, like if I just show you. So I don't have the WordPress site open, but you can remember the site we have with us just shows all the posts one by one. So what do you do when you want to just show some specific post? There's a category called uncategorized. So you only want to show the post that is uncategorized. You are getting what I'm saying, right? So the thing I'm talking about is every time you want to pick something specific, like you want to show something specific to your user who is just visiting the site, you can use the query WP query, and with the custom query you can actually pull a lot of data, like specific post, specific category, the last post of someone, the first post of someone. So you can do a lot of things. So this is the page. Previously this was the page, but now it is moved to this one. So if you just write WP query in Google, then you will get directed to this page. So this is the page where you can learn all the things that is based on WP query. So we will see the some of the proper use of WP query, but for now, just go through the this link and these codes. You may not understand anything, but just go through this. The thing I want to tell you everyone is documentation is very important, because I may show exact application of WP query in the very first video, but in the future if you want to do something that is not shown in my video, then you will fall in great trouble, because you will be like, Tian did not teach me that. So that's why I want to show the source of every important things out there, that is that should be covered when you are dealing with WordPress theme development. And WP query is like one of the major thing out there, because whenever you are making a WordPress theme from scratch, there will be times when you have to do certain things with WP query. And if you don't know all these things on your own, then chances are you will be paranoid when you will face something that you haven't seen before. So that's why I want you guys to go through this documentation, so that you can always feel like there is a guide out there which can help you. Please go through this documentation of WP query, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.